Welcome back, everyone. Don't mind I have a cold. Been working on the X380 tire day. Gonna use some flat out from our good friends over at Glue Tread. Don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but so it's quick with simple seals, punctures, and blah blah blah. Rotate valve stem near top of tire. That's supposed to go through that. I may be wrong about this. Yeah, I think you gotta remove valve stem. But I just found something else, guys. See if you guys see what I'm talking about. Looky right there. We got a rip. You got a rip in the tire right there. A rip in the tire. And you see, look at that. Oh, that bubble right there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to remove valve stem. So I'm gonna go get my valve stem remover and I'll remove this valve stem. Alright. I am back. Hello, compressor. Got my little valve stem remover. Okay. Now there we go. Crap. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use. Crap. Crap, 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 crap. Okay. So now, see what we're at. Nope. Still need more. Said use half the bottle on a front lawnmower tire, and that's what this is. So. See what that's at now. Okay, that's right at where it says. So, put the valve stem back in and air it on up. Air it on up. Air it up. Air it up. I've never used their products before. Just try it out. See what happens. Set tire right there. Going to cover this back up. Put that away until next time we need it. Probably on my tractor. We're talking about my tractor. I found a good deal on a 440 Max, so we may be picking that thing up, repowering that. So if you like old classic lawn tractors, that should be coming to the channel in a while. Probably, I'd say, a week or two. We'll probably take the Odyssey down, because the parts for the Odyssey won't be here till the end of the month. So that engine should be here in a week or two. So we'll probably take the Odyssey down and put the tractor up on the table and work on the tractor some. So. But, yeah. So, we will go ahead and show you a little, look at that little thing. You got a ripping tire right there. You see it bubbling. See, right there. Ripping sidewall. Not good, not good. Got that stuff in there. I put half the thing in there, as they said. So, gonna let it sit, I guess. Sit right there. I also got their blue tread sidewall repair kit. I mean, I guess I could try to, repair that, but that's so small. So, well, please subscribe, like, comment, share this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. So, catch you on the next one.